Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the importance of Krebs cycle. There are two major importance of Krebs cycle. First, ATP molecules which are formed in Krebs cycle used as energy source. In various metabolic activities of the body. Okay. Second, intermediate molecules which are formed during Krebs cycle are used in the synthesis of many biomolecules. Okay, for example, succinyl coenzyme A. It is the intermediate product of Krebs cycle. Act as precursor molecule for the chlorophyll pigment. Okay, it means succinyl coenzyme which is formed in the Krebs cycle used as precursor for chlorophyll synthesis. Second, oxaloacetic acid, alpha keto glutaric acid, are used in the amino acid synthesis. So, these intermediate products are used in amino acid synthesis and chlorophyll synthesis. Now, we are going to talk about the next topic, that is electron transport system. Electron transport system. In short, ETS. According to some scientists, it is also known as ETC. Then full form of ETC, electron transfer chain. Okay. Now site of ETS. Electron transport system occurs on the inner membrane of mitochondria. Okay, inner membrane of mitochondria have 5 complex for electron transfer for ATP synthesis. So for continuity of glycolysis and Krebs cycle, NADH2 and FADH2, which are formed during glycolysis and in Krebs cycle. Oxidized baked to NAD plus and FAD plus and energy is released in the form of ATP. Okay. NADH2 and FADH2. Two NADH2 molecules are formed during glycolysis and 3 NADH2 and 2 FADH2 from 1 pyruvic acid and 6 NADH2 and 4 FADH2 from 2 pyruvic acid formed in Krebs cycle. ग्लाइकोलाइसिस एंड क्रेब्स साइकिल में डायरेक्ट एटीपी मॉलिक्यूल्स NADH2 से एंड FADH2 से नहीं बनते. डायरेक्ट एटीपी अकाउंट बहुत कम आता है. सो जो NADH2 एंड FADH2 क्रेब्स साइकिल एंड ग्लाइकोलाइसिस के ड्यूरिंग जो बने थे, इनसे एटीपी फॉर्मेशन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की इनर मेम्ब्रेन पे इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफर के थ्रू होता है, जिसको अपन इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम कहते हैं. ओके. सो इन दिस सिस्टम फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्रॉम one acceptor to another in a definite series in the mitochondria or inner mitochondrial membrane. And ETS have 5 complexes. It means 5 complexes are present on the inner mitochondrial membrane for electron transported? First, complex first, second, complex second, third, complex third, complex fourth, and last one complex fifth. And component of these complexes are following. Complex first have FMN, flavomononucleotide full form, and ferrous sulfur protein, and it is also known as NADH dehydrogenase complex. Okay. Complex second have ferrous sulfur component, and it is also known as succinic dehydrogenase complex. Complex third have cytochrome B and cytochrome C1 complex component. Complex fourth have cytochrome A1 and cytochrome A3 component, and complex fifth have ATP synthase or ATP synthetase. Complex F0 F1. Okay, so FMN flavomononucleotide, ferrous sulfur protein, cytochrome B, cytochrome C1, cytochrome A1, cytochrome A3, and ATP synthase are component of these complexes. Full form flavomononucleotide. Full form of ferrous sulfur protein, ferrous sulfur protein. Full form of cytochrome B, cytochrome C1, cytochrome A1, cytochrome A3. Cytochrome and ferrous sulfur are the protein, and flavomononucleotide is a false nucleotide because it does not contain any nitrogen base. Okay, now we are going to talk about the diagrammatically representation of ETS on the inner mitochondrial membrane. So oxidation of NADH2 and FADH2 occurs on the surface of inner membrane of mitochondria. Let's see. Complex first, complex second, complex third, complex fourth, and complex fifth. Okay. It is the perimitochondrial space. Okay, and it is the matrix region of mitochondria, and this part represent the inner mitochondrial membrane. So these 5 complexes are present on the surface of inner mitochondrial membrane, and upper side represent the perimitochondrial space and lower side represent the matrix region of mitochondria. It is the complex first, complex second, complex third, complex fourth, and complex fifth. Okay. जब मैट्रिक्स के अंदर NADH2 एंड FADH2 प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, देन मैट्रिक्स की pH एसिडिक हो जाती है. सो एट द टाइम ऑफ ATP synthesis, oxidation of NADH2 occurs and NADH2 oxidized to NAD plus to H plus 2 electrons. Okay. These 2 H plus and 2 electrons are received by complex first and 2H plus of matrix and 2H plus of oxidation of NADH2, then total 4H plus release out from complex first to perimitochondrial space and 2 electrons are transferred by electron carriers. Okay, electrons received by Fm1 transfer to ferrous sulfur protein. It means Fm1 donate the electrons to ferrous sulfur protein, then ferrous sulfur protein transfer the electrons the mobile carrier ubiquinone Q. It is the coenzyme Q and it is also protein nature. Okay, further oxidation of FADH2 take place in the matrix region, then FADH2 oxidized to FAD plus 2H plus 2 electrons, but these 2H plus are not received by complex second and 2 electrons received by complex second. Further electrons donate to ubiquinone now complex third cyto B1 and cytochrome C. So electrons from ubiquinone received by cytochrome B1. Further cytochrome B1 transfer these electrons to cytochrome C. Cytochrome C transfer the electrons to ferrous sulfur protein which attached to complex third. Further ferrous sulfur protein transfer the electron cytochrome C and cytochrome C donate the electrons cytochrome A1. Cytochrome A1 transfer the electron copper ions. Further copper ions transfer the electron cytochrome A3. Further cytochrome A3 transfer the electron to atomic oxygen. Okay, half O2 atomic oxygen attached to complex fourth and it receive 2 electrons from complex fourth, then half O2 bind with 2 electrons plus 2H plus and form the metabolic water molecules. There oxygen pulling the electrons from complex first, second, third and fourth, and these electrons are bind with oxygen and 2H plus form the water molecules. So through ETS water is also formed. And from complex third 4H plus release out from matrix to perimitochondrial space, and from complex 4 2H plus or 4H plus release out. According to Indian scientists, 2H plus are needed for 1 ATP molecules. According to foreign writers, 2H plus are needed to 1 ATP molecules, but according to Indian writers, 4H plus are needed to 1 ATP molecules. After this, pH of perimitochondrial space is decreased due to accumulation of H plus ion, because amount of H plus is high in perimitochondrial space and amount of H plus ion is less in matrix region. Then matrix become basic and perimitochondrial space become acidic. Then proton motive force develop. So rotation in complex fifth ATP synthase complex. Complex fifth have ATP synthase enzyme and ADP which are present in matrix region want convert into ATP. So 4H plus or 2H plus enter in matrix region to balance the pH, and one inorganic phosphate is also needed. So there is through proton channel inorganic phosphate plus 4H plus or 2H plus enter in matrix region. Okay, and ADP which is already present in matrix bind with 4H plus and inorganic phosphate convert into ATP in the presence of ATP synthase enzyme. Okay, because inorganic phosphate and H plus are charged particles, and charged particles cannot cross to lipid bilayer because this region is hydrophobic to H plus and inorganic phosphate. Then another proton channel is present between lipid bilayer. So inorganic phosphate and H plus move to proton channel and enter in the matrix. These H plus inorganic phosphate bind with ADP. In the presence of ATP synthesis enzyme, ADP convert into ATP molecules. Okay.